Did you know that eating eggs the wrong way could quietly harm your health, especially after 60? Eggs are often celebrated as one of the most nutrient-dense, affordable superfoods on the planet, and for good reason. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins like D, B12, A, and minerals like selenium and choline that support everything from muscle strength to brain health. But here's something many don't realize. The way you prepare and consume your eggs can make all the difference between supporting your health or quietly undermining it, especially if you're over 60. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on the most common mistakes seniors make with eggs, and how to correct them with just a few simple changes. These seemingly harmless habits can strip eggs of their powerful benefits or, worse, create harmful compounds that damage your heart, your muscles, and your energy levels over time. Because here's the truth. Eating eggs doesn't automatically guarantee health benefits. In fact, things like overcooking, combining eggs with the wrong foods, or neglecting key parts of the egg can quietly turn this nutritional powerhouse into a hidden health hazard, without you even noticing. If you're serious about staying energetic, mobile, and mentally sharp well into your golden years, then this is the video you can't afford to skip. But before we dive into all that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're here to help you live healthier, feel better, and age vibrantly. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip that could change your life. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. Let's start with mistake number 1, overcooking your eggs. Most people think that cooking eggs until they're firm and rubbery is the safest way to go. No runny yolks, no risk. But in reality, overcooking eggs may silently sabotage your health, especially for older adults whose bodies require more nutrient-dense food to stay strong and resilient. When you overboil, overfry, or overscramble eggs, you're doing more than changing their texture. You're destroying delicate heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin A, which protects your vision and immune system. Vitamin D, crucial for maintaining bone density and reducing fracture risk. B vitamins, which fuel your cells, protect nerve function, and keep energy levels high. But that's not the worst part. When eggs, especially the yolk, are cooked at high temperatures for too long, the cholesterol inside begins to oxidize. This oxidized cholesterol is not the same as the healthy cholesterol your body needs to produce hormones and build cell membranes. In fact, oxidized cholesterol is dangerous. It can trigger inflammatory reactions in your arteries, weaken blood vessel walls, and increase the buildup of arterial plaque, which significantly raises your risk of heart attacks, strokes, poor circulation, particularly to the legs and muscles, reducing mobility and stamina. These problems don't show up overnight, but over time, the damage accumulates, silently increasing the risk of life-altering cardiovascular events. Fortunately, the fix is simple, and it starts with gentle cooking techniques. Instead of cranking up the heat, try these heart-smart methods. Soft-boiled eggs. The yolk remains partially runny, preserving antioxidants and essential fats. Poached eggs. Cooked in hot water with no added fats and no browning. Lightly scrambled eggs on low heat. Stirred gently to avoid browning and preserve nutrients. If you prefer hard-boiled eggs, keep them at a gentle boil for 9 to 10 minutes. Just enough to cook through without overcooking the yolk, which can turn greenish or rubbery, a sign of oxidation. Once they're cooked, remove them from heat immediately and rinse them in cold water to stop further cooking. Also, never leave eggs sitting in a hot pan after cooking. The residual heat continues to cook them, increasing the risk of nutrient loss and cholesterol oxidation. Eggs can still be one of your best allies for vibrant aging, but only if you prepare them the right way. By making a few small adjustments to your cooking routine, you can unlock their full health potential, without exposing yourself to the silent risks of overcooking. So stick with us, because in the next part of this video, we'll break down more egg-eating mistakes and teach you how to get the most out of every bite, so you can stay strong, energized, and independent for years to come. Mistake number 2, frying eggs in harmful oils. Fried eggs might be delicious, but if you're using the wrong kind of oil, you could be unknowingly transforming a healthy meal into a source of chronic inflammation and heart strain, especially if you're over 60. The problem isn't the egg itself. It's the oil you're cooking it in. Many people reach for cheap vegetable oils like canola, soybean, sunflower, or corn oil because they're affordable and widely marketed as heart-healthy. But these oils are high in omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids, a type of fat that's highly unstable at high heat. When exposed to frying temperatures, these fats become oxidized, forming toxic compounds that silently trigger inflammation in your arteries, joints, and muscles. For seniors, this kind of low-grade chronic inflammation is no small matter. It's been directly linked to stiffened arteries and poor blood flow, making it harder for your legs and heart to get the oxygen they need. Joint pain and slower mobility, making everyday tasks more difficult. Weakened immune function, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. Increased risk of heart disease and stroke, especially in older adults with existing circulatory issues. Even worse, some of these oils, especially if partially hydrogenated, can contain hidden trans fats. These dangerous fats have been shown to raise LDL, bad cholesterol, lower HDL, good cholesterol, increase arterial plaque buildup and inflammation. The kicker? Food labels can legally say 0 grams trans fat, even if there's up to 0.49 grams per serving. So unless you're reading the ingredient list carefully, you might be eating more than you think. You don't have to give up fried eggs. You just need to switch the cooking fat to something your body actually benefits from. Healthier options include avocado oil, high in monounsaturated fats and very stable at high heat. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, best for medium heat. Ghee clarified butter, stable and flavorful, with none of the milk solids that can burn. Pasture-raised butter, in small amounts, provides beneficial fat-soluble vitamins. Use a light drizzle and medium heat to gently cook your eggs until the whites are just set and the yolks are soft or slightly runny. This preserves both the structure of the oil and the nutrients in the egg. And for an even healthier alternative, try poaching, steaming, or soft boiling your eggs. No oil required, no risk of oxidation, and all the nutrients left fully intact. Remember, it's not just the egg, it's everything you cook it with that influences your health. Small changes in the kitchen can protect your circulation, ease joint stiffness, and help you feel stronger and more energetic every single day. Mistake number 3, skipping the yolk. For decades, we were told that egg yolks were bad because of their cholesterol content. That fear caused many seniors to toss the yolk and eat only the white, believing they were making a smarter, heart-healthy choice. But science now shows the exact opposite. Skipping the yolk could be robbing your body of vital nutrients it desperately needs as you age. The yolk is the most nutrient-rich part of the egg. It contains nearly all the essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats, the exact components your body needs for stronger muscles and faster recovery, sharper memory and brain function, sturdy bones and fewer fractures, better immune defense, reduced inflammation and oxidative stress. Here's what you're losing if you throw the yolk away. Vitamin D, critical for calcium absorption, bone health, and lowering inflammation. Choline, supports memory, learning, and nerve function, especially important in preventing age-related cognitive decline. Vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell production and preventing fatigue. Lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from macular degeneration. Healthy fats, help absorb fat-soluble nutrients and regulate hormones involved in energy, sleep, and muscle repair. And here's the good news. The cholesterol in egg yolks doesn't raise your blood cholesterol in most people. In fact, newer research shows that eating whole eggs often raises HDL, the good cholesterol, improves overall cholesterol balance, supports heart health rather than harming it, especially when paired with a diet low in processed foods and inflammatory oils. When you throw away the yolk, you're not just tossing out flavor, you're discarding nature's multivitamin. Eating both the white and the yolk together gives your body the ideal mix of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. It's a simple change with powerful results. More strength, better brain health, improved balance, and stronger legs. And all without the need for pills or expensive supplements. So next time you crack an egg, keep the yolk in. And feel good knowing that each bite is actively fueling your body, protecting your mind, and helping you age with vitality and confidence. Mistake number 4, relying on processed egg products instead of real eggs. Whole eggs, when prepared properly, are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. But many seniors unknowingly sabotage those benefits by eating processed egg products, which often appear in the form of liquid egg substitutes in cartons, pre-cooked frozen egg patties, powdered egg mixes, fast food egg sandwiches, or microwavable breakfasts. These products may seem convenient, but beneath the surface, they can be loaded with unwanted chemicals and missing key nutrients your body desperately needs as it ages. What's the problem with processed eggs? 1. Hidden additives and preservatives. To keep these egg products shelf-stable for weeks or even months, manufacturers often add chemical preservatives like sodium benzoate or potassium sorbate. While considered safe in small doses, regular exposure may irritate your gut, disrupt your microbiome, and contribute to chronic inflammation, a root cause of joint pain, heart disease, and immune dysfunction in older adults. 2. Excess sodium. Many processed eggs contain surprisingly high amounts of added salt to enhance flavor and preserve freshness. But for seniors, excessive sodium is no small matter. It contributes to elevated blood pressure, strained circulation to the legs and brain, greater risk of stroke and heart disease. If you're eating processed eggs frequently, you may be getting far more sodium than you realize. 3. Artificial colorings and flavorings. Some egg products use synthetic colors to mimic the vibrant yellow of real yolks and artificial flavors to enhance taste. These chemicals offer no nutritional benefit and may place extra stress on your liver and kidneys, which are already working harder as you age. 4. Stripped of vital nutrients. Many egg substitutes eliminate the egg yolk, where most of the nutrients live. You lose out on healthy fats that support brain and joint health, choline and B12 for memory and nervous system support, lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, vitamin D for bone strength and immune function. What you're left with is a product that looks like an egg, but lacks its full nutritional power. 5. Unhealthy pairings and processed meals. Processed egg patties are often served with greasy sausages, processed cheese, and refined carbs, especially in fast food breakfasts. These combinations skyrocket the sodium, saturated fat, and chemical load, turning a quick meal into a long-term health hazard. If you're short on time, you don't have to give up eggs. Just prepare them smarter. Boil several eggs at once and store them in the fridge for grab-and-go meals. Scramble or poach fresh eggs in a healthy fat like avocado oil, ghee, or extra virgin olive oil. Bake whole eggs into casseroles or muffins using fresh ingredients and herbs. These methods are not only easy, but they allow you to control the ingredients, keep sodium low, and maximize nutritional value. And if you do buy pre-made eggs, look for labels that say 100% egg, no additives, no preservatives. Always check the ingredients list. The shorter, the better. If there are more than a few ingredients, and you can't pronounce some of them, it's a red flag. As you age, every bite matters more. Your body needs real nutrients, not chemical shortcuts. Choosing whole, natural eggs over processed substitutes is a small yet powerful step that can support muscle maintenance and joint strength, improve circulation and cardiovascular resilience, enhance brain function and memory, keep you feeling energetic, mobile, and independent. When it comes to eggs, the real danger isn't the food, it's how it's prepared and processed. Mistakes like overcooking, using unhealthy oils, skipping the yolk, or relying on processed alternatives can quietly erode the many health benefits eggs offer. By making mindful choices, cooking eggs gently, using nourishing fats, embracing the yolk, and skipping processed versions, you can turn eggs into a reliable ally for healthy aging, stronger legs, sharper focus, and greater vitality. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss practical health strategies tailored for seniors. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite healthy way to prepare eggs? You might just inspire someone else to make a life-changing upgrade to their meals. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep moving forward.